every job that's come through so far, it's getting more and more challenging and more high-tech.
We have kind of a unique approach to welding, and I believe our plan is an excellent selection for a place to work on anybody that's really interested in growing their career in welding and not somewhat, I'll call mindlessly showing up and making a part every day or making the same part every day.
We've got parameters out there that require preheat, they require post-heat, they require interpass monitoring. There's just a tremendous amount of data that a welder needs to be aware of.
We've taken very green welders fresh out of school and groomed them up to work on some of this nuclear work that does require the high level of concentration and technical expertise.
It's come a long way since the old putting of the rod and the holder, and right now we've got right up to the pulse, the high-tech pulse welding that's happening right now. The technology and the machining side of it, and as far as the welding, my side of it has come a long, long way. So,
you know, just standard mild steel to 130,000 yield material to hot wire TIGging Inconel into valves. I mean, we have that broad array of different weld procedures and processes available to us here.
Another process that I believe really sets us apart from our competitors is we use what's called a Blueco modular fixturing table.
Blueco is a setup process that we use. It's large, accurate tables, various clamps, measurement tools, so forth and so on. So the weldment is placed on the Blueco, and the team is then responsible for measurements, for setting up accurately, and making sure that all of the weldment parts are in the correct area before it's passed into the weld department.
Safety is number one. We want everybody to come to work happy and to leave work satisfied with the job that they've done.
Pretty challenging. If you like a challenge, it's definitely a good place to be, you know, to better yourself and your career as a welder, you know.
So I think pay and safety are critical. I think the other thing is we've really put a lot of time and effort into improving the aesthetics of our plant to move away from the grimy and dirty, dingy weld shop and trying to move that more into a professional, clean, safe environment.